Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A57. So first, if you have access to your phone, simply head to your settings, general management. Over here you have your reset option here. So either you can reset only some certain settings or also you can do full factory data reset. So if you do it, again, everything will get completely wiped from your phone. All the pictures, videos, everything. Also, you see you can remove your eSIMs as well if needed. So what if you actually do not have access to the phone, maybe you are locked out or something has happened to it? Then the way we reset it is a bit different. So first what you have to get is either like a computer or laptop where to plug in your phone. So again, it has to be computer or laptop. So you see, I will simply plug in my cables that I use to charge my phone and also on my computer essentially. And then I want to restart this phone. To do that, I will simply press and hold the power plus volume down at the same time for roughly maybe like 10 seconds. And once it shuts down, I'm going to jump to holding the power plus volume up till you see basically the recovery menu come up. So you see the power plus volume down and keep holding. It takes maybe like 10 seconds for it to turn off. And once off, so up and the power and keep holding like this. So you see, and this menu will pop up here. So then obviously release your buttons. And you see you have three different options here. So we are going to with the volume button, select the Wipe Data Factory Reset. So, and select with the power button. Then cycle down to the factory data reset and again confirm with the power button. So I won't do that at the moment, but yeah, once you press it, essentially will wipe everything from your phone. Again, all pictures, videos will get lost from it, but that also will remove any like pin pattern or security that you had on it essentially. Okay, good luck.